this month is a lover's month. I do a few videos before, you know what I mean, it's on the YouTube channel about how you can make something for someone who you love. But you know, I listen to myself say, you know what I mean, February the 14th, and February is one of the most shortest month of the year. So anyway, welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program. We're gonna give you something really fantastic for all lovers, lover and lovers. Guys, you're gonna enjoy the recipe, so leave your comments if you like the recipe. And as I see right over here, I have some moringa and some strawberry and some double cream. Mwah. You're gonna love this one, guys. It's very basic, simple recipe, guys. I'm not gonna do anything to complicate it. That you cannot do it at home. If you have to do something at home, or if you want to take out your missus, or if you don't want to take out your missus, this is what you can do. Enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo today. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna give you this recipe, very and a basic, simple. Suppose your missus gone to work and she gonna come home, and you know what I mean, Valentine's Day, you want to surprise her with something set on the table. This is something where you can do. Moringa is very easy, something where you can get at local shop, supermarket, and this is just a basic stuff, guys, which you can do at home. I'm not gonna do something too complicated. Very easy and simple. Get a nice lovely glass. You can get a reasonable price glass at any local shop, supermarket, and surprise your missus. All you need to do is simple. Break it up. You don't even have to break it up. You can leave them all up if you do like. Moringa is another thing, sweet, but I'm using a double cream which is not sweet. Simple. Let's get the strawberry and cut the strawberry into 4. Put it on inside of it that they can see it. Put a piece of moringa inside of it like this, as you can see, guys, and pour down some of this double cream down inside of it like this, guys. That's, you can see what I'm talking about. Then what you do, you will stop it right there. Get some more strawberry and simply put them in just like this. More moringa, as you can see what I'm doing right here. Don't be shy, make something lovely at home this time for your missus. So as you can see inside of it, really nice. Then next, get some more cream and put it straight down inside of it like this, guys, and make it run all over it. Give her a big surprise for this Valentine's Day. She's gonna love this one. If you do this at home, I'm guarantee you she will never quarrel with you one more time again, because she's gonna be happy. She's gonna come in and say, oh my God, you do something for me. Don't do it if it is the first time in your life you're gonna do something for her. But I'm saying, give her a big surprise this Valentine's Day, guys. I'm telling you. Oh my days, look at this, look at. Then simple put some more inside of it like this. Inside, more on the top. Now I don't want to mess up the glass because she might get upset. Probably she's a person who don't want to see our glass really get upset. So more, as you can see, lovely. The double cream, you can get it at any local supermarket. Down inside of it one more time. Then we're gonna put on some more strawberry on top of it, like this, and like this, and like this, and like this, and simple. More of the double cream. This cream, man, is really lovely. I can make the other cream. If you do like me to make you some cream, guys, don't be shy. Please write it in the description box and I will definitely make it for you. Look at that. That is just beautiful and nice. Simple. Put a few more of the moringa on top of it. Yeah. Then what you're gonna do, put it in the fridge and leave it for it to chill for roughly about 6 minutes. Put it in your fridge for 24 hours or half an hour before she come. And when she come, you surprise her. Don't surprise her like when Santa come. I'm talking about Santa. This is not Santa thing. This is Valentine thing. Hey guys, if you love someone, you can do this at home and make you really happy and enjoy such a lovely recipe with some moringa and some lovely strawberry and cream. It's a very simple little thing and she will be happy. Well, I have some more coming up very soon. Hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much guys for this lovely Valentine setting. Look, this is the Ricardo Lock TV guys. This is just some moringa and some strawberry and cream for all the lovers who are in the house. As I said before, you have a lot of lovers in the house. So guys, look at this one which I did make early and it's just really, yeah, Ricardo Lock TV channel. Enjoy the recipe guys. I'm gonna put the link below where you can see how to make this one at home to surprise your lover. Enjoy the recipe.